Hey kids, we're going to open up the 347. Take a look and see if the valves need to be adjusted. Stick around. Also, today's Father's Day. I want to say to all the dads out there, whether you're stepdad, foster dad, dad, whatever, whoever you are, you're doing a great job. Don't give up. Keep going. As dudes, we tend to think we can do it all ourselves. Don't be afraid to ask for help, guys. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this valve cover off. Why? I don't know. And no, I don't wanna hear it. Bonnie's not crazy. Blah, blah, blah. Shush. Look. Shush. Yeah, I said it. All right. Oh, we're gonna just kind of pop these things off. That's tightening, and then we go the other direction. He's got it straight. Well, that's in there forever. It's not. Yeah, come on. Get in there. That's why you have open wheels. You always get a chair. Always. We talked about this before, haven't we? Okay. You can see how it's done. I'm taking these off. And then we'll bring you back in when it's off and we'll look in there and see what happens. The other thing that's going to do is going to allow us to check our valve cover gaskets because we haven't. And if I have to get some, I have to get some, right? Right. And for a Ford, I'm sure it's going to be cheap. Just like if I bought a Chrysler. Yep. All right, so we got these two left right there. Bring those out. They're almost out or free, whatever. These were 7/16. Yeah, I was hoping they weren't metric too. Well, we're gonna see what it looks like. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna order some valve cover gaskets anyway. I don't know how long this has been together. Probably a while. You know, I mean, look. I think we know that Bonnie's fantastic, and we're just gonna move that off of there just for now, like that. Okay. I'm gonna bring her on the other side. See? Like that. Okay, here we go. Let's shake about them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. We're gonna get some. Oh, pry bar. Pry bar. Just gonna get it right here. Like this. Who put these on here? Maybe. Nice and easy. Don't be pounding these real hard. Okay, let's try it. I don't really like these valve covers for more than one reason right now. Okay, we're getting it. We're getting it. Here we go. Now, I mentioned, Chad, we're hoping there was an exhaust leak. Yep, I'm hoping. And the reason I'm taking this off is because I talked to Arco, and he was saying, "Hey man, I think you got something else going on." I'm like, "Yeah." He goes, "Yeah, I think you got some valves that need adjusting." So now we're on the struggle bus. So until I get off of the struggle bus, I'm going to put you on pause because I expected these to come out a little bit better than this. Clyde's did. Let there be light. Somebody said that once. Oh, hey, look at this. I found something. This is my dropped. Okay, it's not magnetic. Remember, it's under there. I think that's what we got going on here. It's glued down. So how do we fix that? What do we do? Help. Okay. Here's what we've learned. This gasket is toast now because I've been shooting on it. it's coming looser. It's still right there. So we're gonna put this on pause. A good long pause for real this time until this comes off, and then I'll explain what I had to do. Deal? No objections, cool. It's still there. So we're having some troubles. So what I'm gonna do, now that I've smashed my finger, at least once, twice, 3 times a lady, I'm regretting this decision. But I'm also happy that I did it, because if something was really bad, you know, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop for the day. I'm gonna stop, and I'm going to take a break from it, and I'm going to come back to it tomorrow. I've had, it's very frustrating, and I think before I do something that's gonna break something, I need to make sure that it's gonna be all right. And I hope something's wrong in there now, because we might end up having to replace these valve covers that don't come off. I mean, I don't know. So, yeah, it's really happening. I'm really dirty. So, anyway, we'll see you again soon with responding. Yeah, it beat me today. That's all right. We're just gonna clean up America's Best Damn Soap with America's Best Damn Hand and Tool. I'm telling you right now. Anyway, I did fix my lawnmower, and I did finish mowing, so I mean, it's a win, right? Taught a young guy how to do something today. That was pretty cool. We definitely have to teach the younger people things, because if we don't, who's gonna, right? So something we as adults should probably do. All right, I'm gonna keep cleaning up, and then I'm going to go have some water and wallow in my defeat for the day. Love it. All right. Part 2 coming up, promise. Okay, it's part 2 of valve cover removal from a hot rod. Yeah, so we have a little problem. I'm not going to show you yet, but soon. Very, very soon. All right. Now, before we get started on what happened here, I just want to say we're getting new valve covers. Yeah. For a couple of reasons. One, I hate them. Yeah, this light is bad at the bone. You get yourself one right now. And two, one of them's broken. Why? Well, let's just say there's a bolt that lives in there, and it looks like this, but it looks like all the other ones, and it broke. But I was able to drill it out, and then with my easy out slip, my good friend Bill Cameron gave us, yep, came right out. Thanks, Bill. Appreciate you so much. Now, we had a little bit of a problem. One, I need new valve cover gaskets for at least one side, so that means both. And two, let's go. Look at all those Go Fast goodies, huh? Roller rockers or whatever they are. I don't know anything about them. But this might be a thing. Not so bad. No. You know, that one could be hammer time. You know, that one maybe. That one. Maybe that one. We're going to have to do the whole zero lash business. That's what we're going to have to do. But I wonder if that could be a thing. Best part is we get to get new valve covers. I broke it right there. But we're good. Spent zero time over here because I was over there. I actually was yelling at the car. Huh, I don't know, that might be bad. What do you think? This one's probably a problem. I don't think we're supposed to be having that problem. So it looks like we're going to be doing some, let's see, is there a crank pulley, a bolt? There's no bolt. Is there a bolt? There's no bolt. So we'll have to be trying to turn it over somehow. Anyway, here's the valve cover gasket we're not going to use. Looks pretty good in there though. I mean, it's clean and stuff. Definitely was getting up here, you can tell that. But, you know, I don't think, I mean, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that's bad. Yeah, check. That's my problem. All right, so what we've got going now is we got a problem, right? And we can't do anything about it right now. Because, number one, I'm not prepared. Number two, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And number three, see, number two. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to clean up our grubby paws before I go in the house. It's, you know, it's after 6. And I've been out here yelling. I actually asked the car kind of a dumb question, and then I laughed. Yeah. I said some words, too, that were bad. Bad words. All right, so, oh, let's find that valve cover I smashed. Stay right there. All right, how do I lose a whole valve cover? I mean, literally. It was just right over here. I throw it away. Well, I found one. A good one. Stick around for a second. And when you walk past it 4 times, it's time to look. That was because of bolt that was right here. This one, right here. And yep. Ford motor. I don't know anything about them. So anyway, we'll bring you back around to this after I get some stuff ordered and whatnot. So, yeah. Until then. All right. So, bring you up to speed on the Bonnie project. No change. It's been at least a week. Have not even looked at getting anything ordered. Why? Well, I don't know. But I gotta get something ordered because it has to be done because foreman actually asked if I could take it for a drive in it. I said, no, unless you got some Ford valve covers laying around. So anyway, I'll get you up to speed on the next one as far as what I ordered, and hopefully it'll be here. So till next time, keep on wrenching.